Hi, I'm Richie. I'm from Gig Buddies Cymru. I'm at the pub tonight and I've just watched Honeyblood. Fantastic. Minty, we are sad that you left the Gig Buddy Minty's Gig Guide. I had the privilege of working with you and I learned from the best. And I will carry on doing these gig reviews, gig tips on the Gig Buddies platform in your honour. It was a pleasure working with you. I learned from the best, and these videos will carry on in your honour. You have been you worked with us then, not just us, other people, lives you touched, and you were amazing, Minty. Thank you, and keep watching these videos.